Okay, students. So we are discussing our first lesson. Okay, that is large numbers. Okay, so in this lesson we are discussing about place value system. Okay, so before we have previous class we have discussed about international place value system. Okay, so now you see in Indian place value system we have discussed. Okay, so now you see international place value system. Okay, so in international place value system sequence is what? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, okay, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. Okay, so ones, tens, 100, this one is what? Ones period. Okay, this one is ones period. 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, this one is what period? Thousands period. Okay, and after that million, 10 million, 100 million, this one is which period? Millions period. Okay, after that billion, 10 billion, 100 billion, this one is what? Billions period. Okay, so when you write a number in international place value system, then after each period we have to put the commas. Okay, before ones period, before thousands period, before millions, before billions. Okay, so that means each after 3 digit we have to put the commas. Okay, so now we will do exercise. Okay, so 1.4 exercise 1.4 you open in your book. Okay, so here what you see, write the place value of the digit in blue in the international place value system. Here first number you see how much given. Here in blue color which number given? 6. 6 is in which place? Is 6. Okay, 6 is given in blue color. 6 is in from right side you have to count ones, tens, hundreds place. So place value of 6 will be what? 600. Okay, answer is what? Answer is 600. 600. Okay, so next second one you see, second one, this one is given in blue color. Okay, so from right side you have to count. Second one you see, this one is given in blue color. Okay, so from right side ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 place. Okay, so place value of this one will be what? Answer is what? Answer is 10,000. 10,000. Okay, place value of this will be what? 10,000. I think you can see na. Okay, next third number you see, third number which one is given in blue color? 6. This 6 is given in blue color. From right side you count ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. After that million. So answer will be what? 6 is in which place? 6 is in millions place. So 6 into 1 million, that means 6 million. 6 million. Like this also you can write, or in numeric form also you can write. Okay, 6 million. So next B number, what given? Second number question. B number, write the numbers in the international place value system and write them in an international place value chart. Okay, this number we have to write in international place value system, and we have to prepare a chart. Okay, chart you can prepare. Previously I have, in starting of the class I have said ones, tens, 100 international place value system. I have said like this one chart you have to prepare, and each number you have to put in that chart. Okay, so first one what given? 315 million 6,465. Okay, so how many million? 350. So this in numeric form we have to write. Okay, 315 million, 315 million. Okay, after that 6,000, 6,000, how many thousand? 6,000. That means only 6,000 given. That means in hundreds thousands place 0, in 10,000s place 0 we have to put, and in 1,000s place we have to put 6. Okay, after that 465, 465. Okay, this one is our required number. Okay, this number now you have to put in a chart. Okay, like this. In first I have given you one certain where ones, tens, hundred, like this. One, all, everything are written, place values, place are written. Okay, so you have to prepare a chart like this, and from this number, 5 is in which place? Ones place. This one is what? In tens place. 4 is in which place? Hundreds place. Okay, like this, each number you have to write in each place. Okay, so this one is your homework. You have to prepare the chart, and each digit you have to write in each place. Okay, so next, third number, you see what given? 900 million. 900 million. Answer will be what? First we will write million. How many million? 900 million. After that, what given? 89,000. 89,000. Okay, that means in hundred thousands place, what we have to write? 0 and 89. 89,000. After that, 320. 29. 329. Okay, so this number we have written. This number also you have to write like this. Insert, you have to put each digit in each place. Okay, you have to put. So next, fifth number, you see 806 million. 800, this fifth number, you see how many million? 806. 806 million. Okay, after that, 8,000. 8,000 means what? In 100,000 plus 0, 10,000 plus 0, this one is 8,000. And 75, that means in hundreds place 0, not given here. 75, this one is our required number. Okay, so remaining practice you have to do. The second number, fourth number, okay, practice you have to do. Next, you see, next we will discuss about rounding of numbers. Okay, so in rounding of numbers, why it is necessary? It makes our calculation easier. Okay, it makes our calculation easier. Here you see, in daily life, suppose you have to if you example, if you take, suppose in a basket some fruits are there. Okay, you have to make an idea how many fruits are there. Okay, for that estimation is necessary. Okay, if you know estimation, a rough idea you will get. Okay, a rough calculation you will get how many apples are there, all this. Okay, so in this daily life, if you know estimation in daily life, calculation will become easier for you. Okay, so why rounding of numbers is necessary? Makes the calculation easier. It makes the calculation easier and faster, and provide an approximate value. Okay, in while we round off a number, we will not get the exact value, but we will get an what? Approximate value. Okay, so first you see rounding off to the nearest 10. Rounding off to the nearest 10. Okay, while you round off to the nearest in a number to the nearest 10, what we have to see? In ones place, what number is there? In ones place, if the digit is 5 or more, okay, 5 or more than 5, then we will move to the next tens place. Okay, just example, you see here 58 we have taken. Okay, 58 we have to round off to the nearest 10. So in ones place, what number is there? 8. 8 is more than 5, so we have to move to the next tens place. Okay, that means 60. Okay, so next you see, if our in ones place digits are what? 1, 2, 3, 4, then we will move to the previous tense. Okay, so just you see here 44. 44 we have to round off to the nearest 10. So that's why what we will see, in ones place what number is there, that one we will see. Okay, in ones place 4 is there. 4 is less than 5, that's why we will move to the nearest 10, which one is what? 40. Okay, so next 35, you see, in 35 5 is what? Equal to 5. So when this ones place this number is 5, then also we will move to the next tens place, that is 40. Okay, so this one is what? Rounding off to the nearest 10. Next you see rounding off to the nearest hundreds. Rounding off to the nearest 100. While you round off to the nearest 100, what you have to see? Last two digit, ones place and tens place. In ones place and tens place, what number is there, that you have to see, or otherwise only tens place also you can see. Okay, if the number in tens place is 5 or more, Okay, if the number in tens place is 5 or more, then what will become? We have to move to the next hundreds place. Okay, just example you see here, 655. Suppose we have to round off to the nearest 100. Okay, so last two digit we will see, last two digit what, 55 here. So 55 is what, more than 50. So then we will move to the next 100, that means 700. So here in 450 you see, to the nearest 100 we have to round off. So last two digit we will see in ones place and tens place. Okay, before hundreds place what places comes? Ones place and tens place. So ones place and tens place is 50, 5 and 0, 50. Okay, so when in tens place number is 5, then we will move to the next 100, that means 500. Okay, so next you see here, this one example I have taken. Okay, 400, 545. Here in tens place what number is there? 4. Tens place 4 is there, that means 45. Last two digit is what, 45. 45 is what, less than 50. So while we round off, we have to move to the previous 100, that means 500. Okay, so now you see, rounding off to the nearest 1000. Okay, while you round off to the nearest 1000, what you have to see, last three digit or only 100 place also you can see. Okay, is if the number in 100 place is what, 5 or more than 5, then we will move to the next thousands place. Okay, if the number in, if the digit in hundreds place is less than 5, less than 5, that means 1 2 3 4, then we will have to move previous thousands place. Okay, we'll have to move previous thousands place. So here you see I have taken given two example, 2730. This one we have to round off to the nearest thousand. In 2730, what you see, last three digit, while we round off to the nearest thousand up to hundreds place. Okay, before thousands place what number is there, what place is there, 100. So up to hundreds place we will see. Okay, up to hundreds place how many is there, 730. So 730 is what, greater than 500. So that's why you will have to move to the next thousands place. That means after 2000 what will come, 3000. So this one you see 3490. Last three digit will see 450. 450 is what, less than 500. So we will move to previous, that means nearest thousand is what, 3000. Okay, so some example given here, you see here, round of the following numbers. Round of the following numbers, 87 to the nearest 10. So 87, while you round off, first digit will see, first digit what, 7 here. So 7 is more than 5. So we will move to the next 10, that means 90. After 90 what will come, 90. So next you see second number, 249 to the nearest 100. 249 to the nearest 100. So last two digit will say, last two digit what, 49. 49 is what, less than 50. So we'll have to move to the nearest 10. 100 plus is what, 200. Next 355 to the nearest 100. 355. So last two digit is what, 55. So 55 is what, more than 50. So that's why we will move to next 100. After 300 what will come, 400. Okay, so just like you see, 3450 to the nearest thousands place. Okay, so in where, while we round up to the nearest thousand, what we see, last three digit, last three digit is what, 450. 450 is less than what, 500. That's why nearest thousand place is what, 3000. Okay, so next you see here, rounding off to the nearest 10,000 place, rounding off to the nearest 10,000 place. Okay, while we round off to the nearest 10,000 place. Okay, before 10,000 place what, which place come, thousands place. Okay, so we will see thousands place. In thousands place, if digit in thousands place is 5 or more, we will move to next 10,000 place. We will move to next 10,000 place. Okay, if this is digit in thousands place are 1 2 and 3 and 4, then we will move to previous 10,000 place, previous 10,000 place. Okay, example I have given here, you see, 53,600. This one we have to round off to the nearest 10,000. Okay, so while you round off to the nearest 10,000, what you have to see in thousands place? Thousands place, which number is there? 3 is there. So 3 is what? Less than 5. So we have to move to the previous thousand. That means nearest 10,000 place is what? 50,000. Okay, so next example you see 57,600. Here in thousands place, what number is there? 7. Which one is more than 5? So we have to move to the next 10,000. That means after 50,000, 60,000 will come. Okay, so next this example you see, what number given? 55,600. 55,600 in thousands place, what number is there? 5. So 5 is equal to 5. So that's why then also we have to move to the next thousands place. That means after 50,000, what will come? 60,000. Okay, so next rounding off to the nearest lakh place. Okay, so before lakh place, which place comes? 10,000 place. Okay, in Indian system before lakh place 10,000 place comes. Okay, so in 10,000 place, while we round off to the nearest lakh, we have to see the number digit in 10,000 place. Okay, if digit in 10,000 place is 5 or more, then we will move to the next lakh place. Okay, if digit in 10,000 place is 1, 2, 3 or 4, then we will move to the previous lakh place. Okay, so this example you see 1,49,000. This number we have to round up to the nearest lakh. So in 10,000 place, what number is there? 4. 4 is less than 5. So it will become 1 lakh. Okay, so next this one you see, next one is given 1,51,000. Okay, in 10,000 place, what number is there? 5. 5 is equal to 5. That's why it will become 2 lakh. After 1 lakh, which number will come? 2 lakh. Next example you see 1,67,000. Okay, in 10,000 place, which digit is there? 6. 6 is what? More than 5. 6 is more than 5. That's why you have to move to the next. After 1, what will come? Next 2 lakh. Okay, after 1 lakh, 2 lakh will come. Okay, okay, next you see your exercise 1.5. You see a number what given? Round the numbers to the nearest 10. To the nearest 10 we have to round off these numbers. Okay, so first one you see 28. 28, if you round off to the nearest 10, first digit is what? 8. 8 is more than 5. That's why it will become what? 30. Okay, so next one you see 188. So in ones place, what number is there? In ones place 8 is there. 8 is more than 5. That's why it will become 190. Okay, 88. Okay, after 88, which one is nearest 10? That means 90. So 190. 250. Okay, so 250. So nearest 10 what? Last digit is 0. Okay, then that means it will remain 250 only. Okay, so after that 101. Okay, so last digit is what? 1. So it will become 100. Will become 100. Okay, so next you see B number, round the numbers to the nearest 100. So while we round off to the nearest 100, what you have to see? You have to see last 2 digit number up to tens place. Okay, see here in tens place, what number is there? 5. So that's why it will become what? When it is 5, then we have to move to the next 100. That means 300. Okay, next third number you see, second number you see. Okay, here in tens place, what number is there? 8. So while we round off to the nearest 100, tens place number we have to see. This one is 8. 8 is more than 5. That's why we have to move to the next 100. That means after 300, which number will come? 400. That means 5,400. Okay, so remaining practice you have to do. Next C number you see, round the numbers to the nearest 1000. Nearest thousands we have to round off. Okay, so first one you see 4,595. So while we round off to the nearest 1000, which number you have to see? Hundreds place. In hundreds place, what number is there? 5. So 5 is equal to 5. So okay, so that's why you have to move to the next 1000. Okay, that means after 4,000, 5,000 it will become. Okay, So next you see here fourth number, you see fourth number. Okay, so in hundreds place what number is there? 5 is there. Okay, so that's why we have to move to the next thousands place. That means 2000. Okay, next fifth number you see here 1495. 1495 in hundreds place what number is there? 4. So while it is 1 2 3 or 4 in hundreds place, then while we round off to the nearest thousand, we have to move to the previous thousand. That means previous nearest thousand is what? 1000. Okay, previous thousand is what? 1000. Okay, so next D number you see round off to the nearest 10,000. Okay, while we round off to the nearest 10,000 place, what we have to see? In thousands place what which number digit is there? In thousands place which digit is there? That one we have to see. So first one you see 43,150. So in thousands place what number is there? 3. Well, it is 1 2 3 4. Then we have to move previous 10,000. That means 40,000. Okay, it will become 40,000. Okay, so next fourth number you see this one in tens place, in thousands place 9 is there. So we have to move to the next 10,000 place. So after 70,000 what will come? 80,000. This one will become 80,000. Okay, so like this remaining you have to do. Okay, next you see rounding off to the nearest lakhs place. Okay, first one you see here 1,56,932. So in 10,000 place what number is there? 5. 5 is there in 10,000 place. So while it is 5, then we have to move to the next lakh place. That means it will become how much? 2 lakh. Okay, it will become 2 lakh. Okay, so next fourth number you see 5,93,299. Okay, so in 10,000 place 9 is there. So while it is 9, that means more than 5. That's why we have to move to the next lakhs place. That means it will become after 5 lakh what will come? 6 lakh. 6 lakh will become. Okay, so like this one you see third number you see 4,18,399. So in 10,000 place 1 is there. Okay, while it is 1, then we have to move previous lakh place. That means previous nearest lakh is what? 4 lakh. It will remain 4 lakh. Okay, this one is third number. Okay, so E number completed. Remaining you have to practice. After that F number what given you see F number round the numbers to the nearest 10 lakh place. Okay, while you round off to the nearest 10 lakhs place, which place we have to see? The lakhs place. The lakhs place we have to see if the in the digit in lakhs place is 5 or more than 5, then we have to move to the next 10 lakh. And the digit in that means lakhs place is 1 2 3 or 4, then we have to move to the previous nearest lakhs, the 10 lakhs place. Okay, so first one you see here 34,75,678. Here in lakhs place what number is there? 4 is there. In lakhs place this one is 4 is there. Okay, that's why 4 is what? While it is 1 2 3 or 4, then we have to move to the previous lakh. That means 30 lakh. Okay, it will become 30 lakh. Okay, answer is what? 30 lakh. Like this fourth number you see here, fourth number 85 lakh. In 85 lakh in lakhs place which number is there? 5 is there. While it is 5, then also we have to move to the next 10 lakhs place. Next 10 lakh place is what? After 80 lakh what will come? 90 lakh. So answer will be what? 90 lakh. 0 0 0 0 0. Okay, so the remaining you have to do. Okay, so next G number what given you see here 56,719 people saw a cricket match between India and Australia. Round the number to the nearest 10,000 for a newspaper headline. Okay, so nearest 10,000, this number given okay, 56,798. This number of people, okay, what's the match between India and Australia? Okay, this number we have to round off to the nearest 10,000. Okay, while we round off to the nearest 10,000, which digit we have to see? Thousands place. Okay, before 10,000, which place coming? Thousand. So in thousands place, what number is there? Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. In thousands place, what is there? Six. Six is what? More than five. That's why while we round off this number, okay, then how much it will become? More than five. Then we have to move to the next 10,000 place. That means 60,000. Okay, for newspaper we have to make the headline. That means how they will make the headline? Around 60,000 people observe the match between India and Australia. Okay, now they will like this 60,000. Okay, they will not write this exact number. Okay, for easier. Okay, for to make the calculation easier. Okay, next second number, you see what given. The price of an apartment is rupees 45 lakh 32,568. Round of the price. Round the price to the nearest 10 lakh. Okay, so price of an apartment is given this much, 45 lakh 32,568. This price we have to round off to the nearest 10 lakh. Okay, so while we round off to the nearest 10 lakhs, which digit we have to see? In lakhs place. In lakhs place, which digit is there? 5 is there. So while it is 5, then we have to move to the next 10 lakhs place. So after 40 lakhs, what will come? After 40, 50 lakh. 50 lakh. 1 2 3. Okay, this one is our answer. Okay, so in this class, that much only. Okay, so remaining practice have to do. Okay, whatever remaining exercises are from A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, all these you have to practice. Okay, thank you.